Good morning, guys. It is Sunday morning, Mother's Day, and we are going to show you what sold yesterday on Saturday, so stay tuned. All right, good morning. It's been a little bit different for my wife and I. My wife has taken over most of the eBay business, and really the only time I have right now is to do Sunday mornings and see what sold on Saturday. I hope to start making some videos about what's sold using screenshots because she's doing all the shipping. I've actually got other things I'm doing during the week. I just haven't had time for it, so she's taken that over. But I want to show you what sold yesterday. Some of this she's already pre-packaged out. So I guess I'll show those items to you first. The big box you see down here is actually a fantasy romance lot, and I'm going to show you on my phone. It sold for $8, so nothing huge. They did pay for the shipping, and those books were free, so you know that's $8 to us for free. This top package here is actually a Verizon LG smartphone. It was returned from Amazon. It's new in package. It was never used, nothing peeled off of there, but it's ready to go, and it sold for $28, and I believe the buyer paid shipping as well. They did. They paid $8 in shipping. Then we had this black web wireless mouse cell. We bought these for like $2 on clearance a long time ago, and we just happened to find them kind of hanging out in one of our death piles. $13.25 with free shipping on that. So let's find some items that did sell down here. There's not a ton today. It wasn't a bad Saturday. It was a little slower than normal, but we have our Nerf Deploy clear see-through Nerf gun, and I believe it's in this box. Oh nope, it's saying tote 5. So I'm in the wrong area. This sold for $14 plus buyer paid shipping. I paid $2.99 for this at a thrift store. I want to say it was at Goodwill. Yeah, there it is, right there. So this Nerf gun right here, and this is a pretty cool gun. It folds all the way out, has a folding stock. So yeah, pretty good sale there with the buyer paying for shipping. Excuse me. Next up, we sold a Panasonic model DMP BDT 320. This is a Bluray Wi-Fi player. This sold for $29.50 with free shipping. It's right here. And this is something I paid, I want to say, $3.99 for at Goodwill as well. So pretty good find there. We'll bubble wrap this real nice, and then didn't come with the remote. We actually sold the remote separately for about $20, which is pretty cool. So we sold a mask, and we've had this up for a long time. I remember posting this. This is a Speedo Surf Gazer mask, and it sold for $11.39. Let me see if we put a location. We did. BS2C3. We can always tell how long something's been up there by the way our listings are, and I knew the second I saw this had been there for a little bit, so not a bad deal there. This was new. We paid $1.99 for it at Goodwill. And let's see what is up next. Whiskey ice cubes. This is something my wife has been listing. These sold for $3.97 plus $3.21 in shipping. Let me see if she's got a location on them. She knows where they're at. I don't know where they're at. She listed them and put them away, and I'm not sure where they're at. They're these little stainless steel balls. I'll show you a picture here. That's what they look like. Hold on. They look like that. They're just stainless steel 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch cubes. And you put them in the freezer, and they're whiskey stones. They're designed to drink with whiskey. So we sold a set of those. Not sure where they're at, so I can't show them to you. And then we sold this Airhead down here, Hydro Boost. This sold for $18 plus the buyer paid shipping. This was something we bought on clearance at Walmart, and it went to Amazon, and then was sent back to us. And the reason it got sent back from Amazon is when Amazon shipped it, they put the label right on the side. and then the customer cut it off, so we couldn't send this back to Amazon, so we sent it to on eBay instead, and it sold. So as you can see, oh, here's the whiskey stones right here. This is what they look like. So it was a 2-pack for $3 something. These we paid nickels for, probably not even that. So we will get those out. So as a Mother's Day gift to my wife, I let her sleep in today, and I am going to pack all this up for her so she doesn't have to do it tomorrow, although Sundays are usually a pretty good sales day for us. So hope everyone's staying safe. Our Goodwills just started opening, so you're going to see some of those videos coming soon, and we're super excited to get back out there and do some shopping. So like this video if you like it, subscribe if you can, and we will talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.